Okay, last week we have studied about present participle and past participle, right? So what do you think about present participles? Ya, apa sih yang dimaksud present participle?
Present participle ini, Miss, yang apa? Bentuk kata kerja yang diakhiri dengan ing, Miss.
Ya, betul sekali Maliku Saleh ya. Jadi dia punya fungsinya sebagai adjektif. Ya, bukan sebagai kata kerja. Kalau sebagai kata kerja itu biasanya diikuti dengan ada to be-nya, apa am is are atau was were seperti itu. Tapi kalau tidak ada to be-nya berarti dia fungsinya ada sebagai present participle, yaitu sebagai adjective. Oke, masih ingat ya ini contoh kalimatnya. Yang lalu the man is talking, di sini ada is-nya, berarti dia sebagai kata kerja. Kalau di yang kalimat kedua the man talking to his friend has a bird. Talking di sini sebagai adjective atau present participle ya, karena kata kerjanya adalah has. Oke, sudah cukup jelas. Kemarin kita sudah di latihan ya. Oke, di latihan ini ya. Last week.
Iya, Miss.
Oke. Ya. Siapa yang mau coba jawab mungkin? Number 1.
Saya mau nyoba dong.
Oke, boleh. Surya.
Permisi Bu, mohon maaf.
Ya.
Abdul Rashid hadir ya Bu? Sorry nggak tahu kalau ada gimmick. Baru masuk Bu.
Baru masuk ya? Ya.
Iya Bu.
Oke.
Sama Arik Bu, sama Arik.
Arik nggak ada tapi ya.
Ada Bu sama saya nih Bu.
Kenapa harus join? Nggak sendiri-sendiri.
Ibu saya di kelas. Saya dalam kelas Bu sama Arik.
Iya, kenapa Arik nggak masuk sendiri dengan device-nya? Karena yang lain kan juga sama. Ini kan kalian dikelaskan ya. Kenapa nggak tetap masuknya sendiri-sendiri? Karena saya lihatnya dari device-nya. Nanti kalau misalnya ada jawab pertanyaan juga, jadi nilainya nggak bisa saya berikan.
Iya Bu, lagi login dia Bu.
Oke. Ya, Surya. Lanjut ya, Surya. What is the answer, correct or incorrect?
DS2. Jawabannya itu correct.
Oke, dibaca dulu Surya kalimatnya.
The companies offering the lowest price will have the most customer.
Oke, betul. Jawabannya correct ya. Kata kerjanya yang mana, Surya, di kalimat tersebut?
Yang will have.
Yes, very good. Ya, betul, Surya. Oke, go on to number 2. Siapa yang mau coba jawab? Number 2?
Oh, baik, terima kasih.
I will give you the point ya. Who answer? Number 2?
Correct, Miss.
Oke, Raidan mau jawab. Oke, correct or incorrect? Coba dilihat dulu.
Correct,
Baca
Miss.
dulu kalimatnya. Coba Raidan.
Those travelers are completing their trip on Delta should report to Gate 3.
Correct or incorrect?
Correct, Miss.
Are you sure?
Incorrect.
Incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect ya. Karena ada dua kata kerja di kalimat tersebut ya. Are completing and should
Should
report.
report.
Ya. Seharusnya yang pertama itu hanya sebagai present participle. Jadi nggak perlu ada to be-nya. Langsung those travelers completing the trip on Delta should report to get the trip. Oke. Is it clear ya? Jelas ya? Jadi kita lihat Kak, untuk tahu kita lihat dulu ada kata kerjanya enggak. Seperti di kalimat pertama itu kan kata kerjanya udah ada will have. Oke, di kalimat kedua ada enggak? Oh, kata kerjanya adalah verb-nya itu adalah yang should report. Berarti yang verb ing-nya itu bukan sebagai kata kerja tapi sebagai present participle. So without to be completing. Oke, number 3. Correct or incorrect? Siapa yang mau coba jawab?
Correct, Miss. Correct, Miss.
Muhammad Rafi, correct.
Correct.
Jawabannya. Kata kerjanya apa?
Kata kerjanya we're demonstrating.
Ya, betul. Jadi itu sebagai kata kerja ya, word demonstrating. Oke, number 4. Siapa yang mau coba jawab?
Saya, Miss.
Iya, sayanya siapa? Sebut nama.
Muhammad Izzuddin.
Oke, Muhammad Izzuddin.
The fraternities giving the wildest parties attract the most new pledges.
Correct or
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Ya, salahnya yang mana?
Soalnya itu yang mana sih? Yang
Number 4.
incorrectnya fraternities kan giving attract the wildest most new pledges. Yang mana?
Ya, kata kerjanya yang mana sih? Izzuddin?
Attract.
Ya, attract ya. Jadi tidak perlu pakai are ya, langsung aja the fraternities giving langsung. Oke, very good Izzuddin. Number 5 wants to try answer.
Saya, Miss.
Saya, Miss.
Rifat, Miss.
What's your name? Muhammad siapa? Yang mau coba jawab?
Rifat, Miss.
Rifat. Oke, Rifat.
The first team winning 4 games in is award the champion. Correct, Miss.
Yes. Kata kerja yang mana, Rifat?
Yang winning itu, winning 4 games.
Are you sure? Bukan. Kata kerjanya yang
Awarded.
ya is awarded. Verb-nya. Winning itu
oke.
sebagai present participle. Oke, number 6.
Incorrect, Miss.
Ya, Pascal ya. Incorrect.
Ya.
Oke, seharusnya seperti apa kalimatnya? Pascal,
Ya,
yang betulnya yang bagaimana? For number 6.
nggak pakai was di trying-nya.
Ya, betul. Ya, karena kata kerjanya yang mana ini?
Itu was often in the
Ya, was interrupted ya, itu.
interrupted ya.
Kata kerjanya. Oke, very good. Number 7 wants to try answer.
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Rafli Akram.
Ya. Verbnya yang were routing one, Miss. Routing.
Number 7.
Correct.
Correct or incorrect?
Correct, Miss.
Yes, correct ya. We're rotting because of the moisture in the crates carrying them to the market. Yes, very good. Okay, number 8.
Saya, Miss.
Correct, Miss.
Okay, Raidan.
Ya.
Correct, Miss.
Pelit.
Verb-nya yang should complete.
Yes, very good. So complete. Okay, number 9, Almira.
Incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect. Salahnya yang mana, Almira?
Were announcing.
Ya, seharusnya announcing-nya jadi apa?
Jadi announcing aja.
Ya, announcing saja tanpa to be-nya ya. Karena
Iya.
kata kerja yang mana di kalimat tersebut?
Kata kerjanya apa ya? Receive.
Yes, very good. Receive ya. Okay, the last number 10. Who wants to try
Correct.
answer?
Correct, Miss. Correct.
Siapa yang jawab ini?
Melissa, Ibu Pascalia.
Okay, Pascalia. Is it correct? The spices preparing the meal were quite distinctive. Yes,
Yes,
correct. Kata
correct.
kerjanya yang mana, Pascal?
Kata kerjanya itu were quite.
Yes, were. Very good. Were quite. Okay, so is it clear about present participle, right, in the sentence? So if there is no verb, so it is correct if the present participle with to be. Ya, jadi kalau tidak ada kata kerjanya, berarti present participle-nya harus dengan to be, is MR atau was were. Tapi kalau sudah ada kata kerjanya, berarti dia fungsinya sebagai present participle atau sebagai adjective. Jadi tidak perlu ada to be-nya. Okay, we go on to the next number. Okay, wants to try answer. This is related to the structure in TOEFL test. Yeah. So you must find out the subject, the verb. Is it the verb correct or incorrect? Or the word orders or the complements. Okay, number 1 wants to try answer. So just be careful.
Miss, boleh Miss?
Okay, Malikus Saleh.
They have known each other since last year.
Yes, very good. So the correct answer is
Si Miss.
C, Charlie ya, has known. Kan last year itu kan bukannya past tense. Seharusnya A dong, new. Nah, karena di situ ada kata waktunya since ya. Nah, jadi kalau since itu kan sejak tahun lalu itu, tapi nggak spesifik. Kecuali since-nya nggak ada, hanya last year-nya aja. Baru jawabannya adalah yang A. Okay, very good. Malikus. Okay, number 2.
Saya coba, Miss.
Okay, who wants to try answer?
Me, Miss.
Ilham.
Yeah. Sorry, Mr. Brown, I have forgotten my homework at home. The answer
Okay,
is
very
A.
good. Yes, the answer is A, have forgotten. Ya. Okay, number 3. Jadi kalau tunggu sebentar. Kalau past tense itu keterangan waktunya spesifik di waktu lampau ya. Makanya keterangan waktunya pakai last, ago, ya, yesterday itu kan jelas. Tapi kalau perfect itu pakai kata since, for, atau ya tadi, saya nggak bawa gitu. Karena apa? Karena lupa. Jadi have forgotten number 2. Okay, next number 3.
Yang C, has start.
Okay, Dimas.
My brother has started to study for this exam yet.
Yang mana? A, B, C, or D?
Yang C.
Are you sure? Kalau ada has berarti kata kerjanya harus has started.
B bukan, Miss? B, Miss.
The answer is
Hasn't started.
B. Ya, ada kata yet. Jadi kalau ada kata yet itu dia negatif. Ya, jadi my brother hasn't started to study for his exam yet. Ya, jadi dia belum belajar. Ya, seperti misalnya kalian, have you done your homework? Ya, not yet. Ya, itu kan kependekannya. Ya, I haven't finished yet. Seperti itu. Ya, jadi ingat kalau yet itu dia negatif ya. So the correct answer is B, hasn't started. Okay, go on. Number 4. Who wants to try answer? Number 4. Siapa yang mau coba jawab number 4?
Have seen.
Ya, ini siapa yang jawab kah? For number 4? Who answer? Okay, Sahdu. What's the answer, Sahdu? Yes, very good. Have seen him several times ya. Sama several times juga itu waktunya nggak spesifik ya. Misalnya saya pernah pergi ke Bali beberapa kali. I have gone to Bali several times. Seperti itu, same. So the answer is D, Delta, have seen. Okay, go on number 5.
Saya, Miss.
Okay, roughly.
Yang B bukan, Miss. Yang heard.
I know what happened there. B or C?
C, Miss.
Yes,
C, Miss.
C. Kali, ya.
Iya, Miss.
Dia tahu apa yang terjadi karena dia pernah dengar gitu ya. Kalau heard itu udah in specific time in the past ya. Jadi nggak ada, udah nggak ada kaitannya di waktu sekarang. So the correct answer is C, have heard. Okay, go on number 6.
Saya,
Saya,
Miss.
Miss.
Camila, Miss.
Zaki.
Okay, who are you?
Prasetya, Miss.
Banyak apa?
Camila, Miss.
Prasetya, Miss.
Raida, Miss.
Adit.
Prasetya, Miss.
Oke,
Yang A,
Raffi.
Miss. Yang A, Miss.
Enggak sih.
Delivered,
Yang B.
Miss.
Privat, Miss.
Have
Yang
delivered.
Camila
Miss.
udah terlihat
Yang C, Miss.
ya.
Yang A, Miss. Yang delivered, Miss.
Yang C, Miss.
Camila jawabannya apa?
Yang B, Miss.
A.
Yang
Delivered.
B, Miss.
Yang
Yang B, Miss. Yang B, Miss.
Yang A, Miss. Soalnya udah ada
Yang C,
this
Miss.
morningnya.
Yang B, Miss.
Delivered, Miss.
Have
Delivered,
delivered.
Miss.
Oke,
Yang
kalau
A,
ada
Miss.
kata since morning berarti jawabannya apa? I'm very tired.
I
Have
delivered.
delivered.
Have
Delivered.
Delivered, Miss.
Delivered dong,
Raida, Miss.
Miss.
B.
B.
I
Wah, wah, bener, coy. Have delivered.
Raida, Miss.
ya. Since
Zaki,
itu kan
Miss.
tadi
Dear
kita waktunya
Zaki.
nggak cukup spesifik ya. Kecuali this morning baru yang A. Kalau itu kan since. So the answer is B ya. Just be careful ya. Look at the time signal used. Okay, go on to number 7. What's the answer number 7?
Yang A, Miss.
Taidan?
Iya, Miss. Yang A bukan, Miss.
Yes, very good. A ya. I need to take a bus because I have sold my car. Ya, mobilnya sudah terjual, nggak tahu kapannya gitu ya, nggak jelas waktunya di sini. So the answer is A. Ya, kalau yang C itu kalau ada keterangan waktunya, misalnya yesterday, ya. I need to take a bus because ya I sold my car yesterday. Okay, so because the time is not specific, so the correct answer is A. I have sold my car. Okay, go on number 8.
Have passed.
Have fashion too.
Okay, who answered this?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Pascal.
Have passed. I'm so happy because I
Yes,
passed
very
my English
good. I
exam.
passed my English exam. Number 9.
D, Miss. Has lost.
Yeah, who answered? Ilham.
She is unhappy because she has lost her case.
Yeah, she has lost ya Delta her keys. Okay, the last number 10.
Saya, Miss.
Saya, Miss. Privat,
Ya,
Miss. Privat,
sayanya
Miss.
siapa? Langsung sebut
Privat, Miss.
semua.
Raida, Miss.
Privat,
Prasetya,
Miss.
Miss.
Number 10.
Gua duluan gak sih?
Privat, Miss.
Tadi siapa
Sweet.
yang
Privat, Miss. Privat, Miss.
Prasetya,
Raida,
Miss.
Miss. Raida.
Oke, Rafiftia. Muhammad Rafiftia ya?
Ah,
Iya, Miss.
Oke.
B, Miss. Still haven't eaten.
still haven't eaten. Yes, very good. B. Yeah, I am hungry because I still haven't eaten anything. Okay, is it correct? Is it clear enough, right?
Clear, Miss.
Sudah jelas?
Hmm.
Okay,
Jelas.
so we go on to the past participle. Past participle ini sama dengan present participle, tapi beda kalau past participle ini ada bentuk ketiga, bukan verb ing, ya bentuk ketiga, verb ed biasanya dia akhiri dengan ed, atau ada beberapa juga yang tidak beraturan, misalnya seperti kata write, menulis, write, wrote, written. Ya, berarti past participle-nya ada written. Okay, so you must remember when it is the past participle, so you must check out the sentence. Yeah, is it as a verb or as a past participle? Because the past participle has the same meaning with the present participle as an adjective. Ya, jadi fungsinya sama sebagai adjective seperti present participle. Nah, yang perlu kalian lihat di sini, kadang-kadang dia juga sama membingungkan. Ya, jadi kalau dia sebagai verb, dia pasti yang menggunakan verb 3 itu kan adalah present perfect dan past perfect, ya kan? Kalau dia diikuti kata has, have, atau had dan verb 3, itu berarti dia sebagai kata kerja. Atau kalau kalimat pasif, ingat ya, kalimat pasif di dalam bahasa Inggris itu polanya adalah ada to be-nya dan ada verb 3. Ya, seperti contoh ini, the family has purchased a television. Itu ada present perfect, jadi fungsinya sebagai kata kerja. Lalu kalimat kedua, the poem was written by Paul. Was written, ada to be-nya was, dan ada verb 3-nya di situ, written. Jadi itu adalah kalimat pasif, dan fungsinya juga sebagai kata kerja, verb. Ya, berarti ini bukan termasuk past participle. Oke, yang termasuk past participle adalah yang ini. The television purchased yesterday was expensive. Atau the second sentence, the poem written by Paul appeared in the magazine. Jadi kalau sebagai past participle ini fungsinya sebagai adjektif, maka ada to be-nya lain. Ya, to be di sini adalah sebagai kata kerjanya. Atau di kalimat kedua juga ada kata kerjanya yaitu appear. Oke, sudah cukup jelas kah mengenai penjelasan past participle ini?
Jelas, Miss.
Oke. Oke, contohnya ini contoh diambil dari latihan TOEFL. The packages blank mailed at the post office will arrive Monday. Apakah ini kalimat ini sebagai past participle atau sebagai verb? Sebagai apa? Mail di situ kan past participle ya. Sebagai verb kah ataukah sebagai adjective?
Verb.
Are you sure?
Adjektif.
Adjective ya. Karena tidak ada kata kerjanya yang mana?
Will arrive.
Ya, will arrive ya. Jadi kita jawaban A dan B itu tidak sesuai ya. Kalau A, B itu kan kalau sebagai kata kerja, sebagai verb. Jadi yang mungkin adalah C dan D. C, them. Them juga nggak sesuai karena dia sebagai objek. Ya, so the correct answer is D. Seperti itu ya, mungkin nanti kalau mengerjakan soalnya. Ya, so the correct answer, the packages just mailed at the post office will arrive Monday. Okay, is it clear? Jelas? Okay. Yeah. So, number 1, number 2, there are 3 sentences here. Which one is the past participle? Yang manakah yang past participle? Kalimat nomor 1, 2, atau 3?
Dua, Miss.
Are you sure? Past participle tadi fungsinya sebagai adjective kan? Halo,
Iya.
kalimat nomor 1, she painted this picture. Itu sebagai kata kerja, berarti bukan. Kalimat kedua, she has painted this picture. Has painted itu adalah present perfect ya, sebagai kata kerja juga, berarti bukan. Ya, so the correct answer is number 3. The picture painted here as the past participles ya. By Karen is now in a museum ya. Karena kata kerjanya sudah ada lain lagi yaitu is. Oke. Jadi past participle-nya adalah yang number 3, painted as an adjective. Oke, jelas? Sudah jelas kah?
Jelas, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, so there are some verb that contains with participles ya. Okay. There is no questions. If there is no question, we go on to the exercise ya. Oke, dikerjakan terlebih dahulu, nanti kita bahas bersama. Oke, dan sudah. Oke, we discuss the answer together ya. Number 1, siapa yang mau coba jawab? Halo?
Number 1, incorrect, Miss.
Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Salahnya yang mana, Pascal?
Itu ada double subject. Sorry. Double itu kata verb.
Double verb ya. Kata kerjanya double ya. Seharusnya yang betulnya yang mana?
The money offered by the client was not accepted.
Yes, very good ya. Jadi kata kerja yang sesungguhnya adalah yang was not accepted. Jadi yang pertama was-nya dihilangkan. Jadi the money offered by the client was not accepted. Okay, very good. Number 2. Want to
Correct.
answer? Ya, siapa yang jawab? Camilla.
Ya,
Correct or incorrect?
correct.
Correct. Kata kerjanya yang mana, Camilla?
Had already.
Yes, very good. Had already told. Is a verb. Okay, go number 3. Siapa yang mau coba jawab number 3?
Incorrect, Miss.
Ya, Dimas. Incorrect.
Iya.
Yang betulnya bagaimana, Dimas?
Apa, Miss?
Yang betulnya bagaimana berarti? Tadi kan incorrect jawabannya.
Dulu. Harusnya yang benar the chapters that were taught by the professor this morning will be on the next week's exam.
Ya, wordnya yang pertama dihilangkan ya. The chapter taught by the professor this morning will be on next week's exam ya. Atau kalau dia adjective bisa kita tambahkan kata that atau which were seperti itu. Ya, tapi karena ini fokusnya ke past participle jadi wordnya dihilangkan. Okay, good. Number 4.
Correct, Miss.
Ya, Almira.
Correct.
Number 4. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Correct ya. Kata kerjanya yang mana?
Back.
Ya, were baked.
Were back.
Ya, were baked is a verb. Okay, go on. Number 5. Ya, Syahdu. Number 5, correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Okay, harusnya bagaimana, Syahdu? Jawaban betulnya? Yes, very good ya. Rich ya, tidak perlu ada word lagi di situ. Okay, number 6.
Correct, Miss.
Ya, Pascal ya.
Correct, Miss. Correct.
Correct. Number 6. Those suspected in the string of robberies were arrested by the police. Yes, very good ya. Kata kerja ada were arrested. Okay, number 7.
Incorrect, Miss.
Muhammad Rifat ya.
Yeah,
Ya, Muhammad Rifat, correct or incorrect?
incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect. Seharusnya bagaimana, Rifat?
The pizza served in this restaurant is the tastiest in the
Yes, very good.
country.
Yes, very good. Yeah, the pizza served in this restaurant is the tastiest in the country. Okay, good. Number 8. What's the answer? Number 8. Who want to try answer? Come on, number 8.
Incorrect, Miss.
Ya, Dwi Cahyani.
Ya, incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect. Yang betulnya bagaimana, Dwi?
The course is on the second page of the book. Have several
Ya, the course is listed langsung ya, nggak perlu ada artnya di situ. On the second page of the browser have several prerequisites. Oke, good ya, karena verbnya udah ada kata have di situ. Oke, number 9.
Saya, Miss.
Correct, Miss.
Correct,
Yes,
Miss.
siapa? Rafli.
Yeah, correct, Miss.
Correct?
Yeah.
Ya, kata
Verb
kerjanya yang mana,
were
Rafli?
invited.
Yes, very good. Were invited ya. Or the tenants were invited to the Independence Day barbecue at the apartment complex. Okay, the last number 10.
Correct, Miss.
Correct, Miss.
Ilham.
Correct, Miss.
Correct, Miss.
Ya, Ilham Reza.
Correct, Miss.
Ya, correct ya. Any bills paid by the first of the month will be credited to your account by next day. Ya. Kata kerja ada yang will be credited. Okay, next go on. Yeah, you just choose the verb here ya. Kata kerjanya kalian tinggal pilih kata yang di dalam kurung. Okay, number 1 who wants to try answer. Siapa yang mau coba jawab number 1?
Broke
Ya,
bukan,
tadi yang jawab pas. Ya, Camilla.
Broke bukan, Miss. Ricky had already broke the traffic rules by crossing the red lights.
Broke or broken? Ada kata had. Verb 2 atau verb 3?
Had broken.
Ya, had broken ya, had already broken. Itu kan past perfect ya. Ingat kalau perfect harus menggunakannya verb 3. Okay, number 2.
Saya, Miss.
Ya, Rafli lagi.
Drunk bukan, Miss, yang pakai U.
Yes, very good. Nina had drunk all of her coke ya before her dinner arrived. Okay, number 3.
Sang, Miss.
Sang bukan? Sang.
Ya, Ilham.
Sang.
Yes, sang ya. The oyster were sunk. S-U-N-K ya, itu pilihannya. In the sand now. Okay, number 4.
Yeah, Miss.
Saya. Saya.
Okay, Almira.
Number 4, head broke.
Yes, had broad. Okay, good. Number 5.
Saya, Bu. Rafli, Bu.
Okay, Rafli.
Paid bukan, Bu?
Yes, paid. Yeah, has always paid. Okay, number 6.
Saya, Miss.
Forgotten.
Sahdu.
Forgotten.
Sahdu. Yes, forgotten. Yeah, as I had forgotten. Okay, number 7.
Saya lagi, Bu.
Miss.
Rafli, Miss.
Saya.
Saya, Miss.
Aku hanya ini saja ya. Rafli, Pascalia.
Boleh, Miss.
Head late.
Late, Miss.
Late.
Late.
Yeah, late. Very good. Late. Yeah, she had late. Okay, number 8.
Saya.
Go on, Miss. Go on, Miss.
Let's go, Miss. Let's go, Miss. Let's go.
Yeah.
Go, Miss. Go, Miss.
Number 9.
Saya, Miss Brighton.
Was right.
Itu, Miss.
Was written. Number 10.
And 7.
And 7.
Shift.
And 7.
7.
Okay, so is it clear enough, right? About the using present perfect and past perfect. Sudah jelas?
Jelas.
Yes,
Any
Miss.
questions?
Yes, Miss.
No more question? Tidak ada pertanyaan ya? Okay, and then next we try to continue the listening section ya. Have you got the paper right? From Miss Cynthia? Sudah dapat waktu itu? Oleh Miss Cynthia? Halo? Untuk listening section?
Listening section yang kata itu udah, Miss.
Ya,
Dapat.
sudah sampai mana?
Nggak tahu.
Nggak tahu. Ya, exercise 1.1 sudah? 1.1, 1.2 sudah?
Dia sampai poin 2 deh, Bu.
Sampai point 2. 1.2 sudah ya, berarti sekarang kita continue ke 2.1 ya, yang ini. Yang ini. Exercise 2.1 yang ini ya, berarti ya. So, you try to identify the homonyms. Ya, homonyms itu sama pengucapannya, tapi tulisannya berbeda. Oke. Sudah dapat kertasnya dari Miss Cynthia kan?
Udah, Miss.
Udah. Ya, berarti yang 2.1 ya, now. Okay, I will try to play the audio ya. Wait a moment, tunggu sebentar. Okay, are you ready, guys? I will play it ya. Just once more.
Exercise 3.1. Number 1.
What did you get Susie for her birthday?
Didn't you read the invitation to her party? She said she didn't want anyone to bring any presents.
Miss, sorry Miss, itu kertasnya belum dapat.
Number 2.
Ya, sorry. Kenapa?
Kertasnya yang itu tulisan pilihan dua jawaban itu belum.
Oh, belum.
Udah ada.
Udah.
Di grup.
Ada baru dikirim tuh.
Udah. Sudah ada?
Oke, sudah ada.
Oke. Oke, I will continue again ya. Okay, just focused.
Exercise 3.1. Number 1.
What did you get Susie for her birthday?
Didn't you read the invitation to her party? She said she didn't want anyone to bring any presents.
Number 2. I've got to go back to the library after dinner.
I know you've got a lot of research to do, but don't overdo it. You're spending half your life in the library.
Number 3.
I understand you had an accident this morning.
Yes, I broke a pane in the window upstairs. Number 4.
I can't find my coat.
Well, I certainly don't know where it is.
Number 5.
You'd better pay that parking ticket you got last week.
Yeah, I would if I could find it. Number 6.
You need to fill out a change of address form.
Oh, is this the right form? Number 7.
You went to the meeting last night?
Yes, but I wish I hadn't. Was I ever bored? Number 8.
What kind of car are you looking for?
I don't care, as long as it's dependable. I can't stand a car that breaks down all the time.
Number 9. Don't you just love Andrew's boat?
It's terrific. And it's for sale, you know.
Number 10.
So, what did I tell you? Wouldn't this be a great location to build a house?
You're right. It's the perfect site. I wish I could afford to buy this lot.
Number 11.
Did you get your garden planted?
Well, I got a start. I planted a few rows of corn.
Number 12.
Shh. Talking isn't allowed in this part of the library.
Oh, it's okay to talk in this part. Exercise 3.1.
Okay. Done? Have you got the answer right? Sudah dapat jawabannya semuanya? Okay, for number 1. What's the answer? Is it clear enough, right, for number 1? And has been done for you, yeah? So the correct answer is B, yeah, present. Yeah, so do you still remember about the script? What did you get Susie for her birthday? Yeah, so for listening, you just focus on the second speakers. Yeah, didn't you read the invitation to the party? She said she didn't want anyone to bring any presents. So the answer is B. Number 2, what's the answer? A or B?
B.
B. Yeah.
Overdo.
Ya, overdo ya. Bacanya sama ya. Ya. Jadi I've got to go back to the library after dinner. And then second speaker say, I know you've got a lot of research to do, but don't overdo it.
Do it.
Yeah, you're spending half of your life in the library. So the correct answer is B, overdo. Okay, number 3. Which one, A or B?
B.
B. B.
Yes. Good. Okay. Jadi I understand you had an accident this morning, yeah? And then, yes, I broke a pane in the window upstairs. So the correct answer is B, pane. Yeah, so it's not related with the pane A, ya. Itu beda jauh ya artinya ternyata ya. Okay, number 4.
Where?
Where?
Well, I certainly don't know where it is ya, sama-sama where. Tapi beda maknanya jauh ya. A for number 4, A. Number 5? What's the answer?
B. Fine.
Yeah, B. Fine. Yeah. I would if I could find it ya tadi. Okay, number 6. A
Right.
or B?
A. Right.
Right. Oh, is this the right font? ya, bukan write menulis, tapi write form di situ, ya, form yang betulnya. Oke, number 7.
Board.
B.
B, ya.
Bored.
Yes, but I wish I hadn't was I ever bored. Dia bosan ya. B, bored. Number 8.
B.
Break.
B, ya. I don't care as long as it's dependent. I can't stand a car that breaks down all the time. Ya, B. Number 9.
B.
B, ya. And it's for sale, you know, ya.
For sure.
Okay, number 10.
A.
Yang A, ya. Good, you're right. It's the perfect site. Yeah. I wish I could afford to buy this lot. Okay, number 11.
B.
Yeah, you're. Well, I got a start. I planted a few rows of corn. Ya, bukan rose, bukan bunga rose. Okay, number 12.
B.
A or B?
B.
Allowed.
Yes, B. Yeah, sure.
B.
Talking isn't allowed. Yeah. In this part of the library. Oh, it's okay to talk in this part. Okay. Betul berapa? Ada yang betul semuanya?
Ada, Bu.
Ada. Okay, very good. Masih mudah ya. Masih gampang. Okay, we still have time. Masih punya waktu. We go on to the next ya. Lanjut ikutnya. 2.2, kalau tadi homonyms, in 2.2, you focus on using the context of dialogues to identify the definition of words with multiple meanings. Jadi kalian fokus ke kata yang maknanya banyak di sini. Ada 10 nomor ya. Okay, are you ready guys? Sudah siapkah? Sudah dapat juga kah?
Ready, Miss. Udah.
Sudah.
Dan 3.2. Okay, I will play it.
Exercise 3.2. Number 1.
Where have you been keeping yourself, Ben? I haven't seen you since January at least.
I've had this terrible cold, and I haven't gotten out much. Number 2.
What a kind person Glenn is.
Isn't he, though?
Number 3.
Will it be cold in the mountains?
I'd bring a light sweater if I were you. It may get a little chilly at night.
Number 4. Is this where the aeronautics exhibit is going to be?
No, it'll be in the north wing of the museum.
Number 5.
Where did you get these statistics?
in the tables at the back of this book.
Number 6.
I'm going to paint these old wooden chairs white. They'll look good as new.
You'd better take off that old coat of red first. Number 7.
How do you like your geology class?
It's an interesting subject. And tomorrow we're going out into the field to look for fossils. That should be fun.
Number 8.
Want to go see a movie?
I don't know. What's playing?
Number 9.
Good afternoon, Blue Dolphin Restaurant.
Yes, this is Mr. Adams. I'd like reservations for 8 Friday evening.
Fine, Mr. Adams. How many will there be in your party?
Number 10.
When is your composition class?
Next period.
Exercise 3.2.
Okay, done. Have you got the answer right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number 1. It's called. The answer is A, yeah? Minor illness. Number 2?
Type. Considerate.
B. Yes, very good. Considerate. Number 3? Light.
Not heavy.
Yes, not heavy. Very good. Number 4? Wing.
Part of building.
Yes, very
Part of
good. Part
building.
of a building. Tables. Tables. It's me.
Charts.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. Number 5 is A. Charge. Number 6. Code.
Layer.
Layer. Very good. Number 7. Field.
A.
A.
Outside the classroom.
Outside the classroom. Number 8. Playing.
Appearing.
Appearing.
Very good. Number 9. Party.
Group.
Group.
And then the last. Period.
Class
time.
Okay. Very good. We still have times anymore? I think 2.3. Satu kali lagi mungkin bisa ya, waktunya cukup ya.
Boleh.
And 2.3. Okay. Okay, there are 12 numbers, right? Okay, I will play it there.
Exercise 3.3, number 1.
I'm ready to hand in my research paper.
Better check your writing first, Scott.
What does the woman suggest Scott do? Number 2.
How did you do on the history exam?
Well, I passed anyway.
What are they discussing? Number 3.
Did you see the buffaloes in the wildlife park?
Yeah, and you know what? It was the first herd of buffaloes I'd ever seen.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
Which line do I get in if I've already pre-registered?
Read the sign, why don't you?
What does the woman tell the man to do? Number 5.
I can't decide whether to buy one suit or two.
Just think about it for a second.
What does the woman suggest the man do? Number 6. All right, Henry, you can just bring your suitcases upstairs now.
But I can't handle them all by myself.
What does Henry say about the suitcases?
Number 7.
Your hair is soaked, John. What happened?
Oh, I was caught out in a sudden shower.
What does John mean? Number 8.
Patrick, what did your classmates think when you won the award?
Well, it certainly didn't hurt my standing with them.
What does Patrick mean? Number 9.
I hear your sister got a new job.
Yeah, she's now a loan officer at a bank.
What does the man say about his sister? Number 10.
Is that seminar you were always complaining about finally over?
Yeah, but you know, now that it's over, I miss going to it.
What does the woman mean? Number 11.
So where is this park where we're going to have the picnic?
It's on East Vine Street, across from the city zoo.
What does the woman tell the man? Number 12.
Why don't you use that payphone over there?
Okay, but, do you have any change?
What does the man ask the woman?
Okay, have you got the answer right?
Inshallah.
Okay, number 1 has been done for you, yeah. It's look for mistakes. So, you focus for the second speakers, yeah. So this is the both homonyms and words with multiple definitions. Okay, number 2, what's the answer? A or B?
B.
Yes,
B.
very good. B. The best performance in class. Number 3?
B.
Or
B.
B? Yes, B. This was the first herd he'd ever seen. Yeah, B. Number 4?
A.
A.
A. Very good. Number 5?
B.
B, yes. Consider it for a little while. Number 6.
A.
A.
Yeah, he can't carry the luggage by himself. Yeah, it's too much, yeah. Okay, number 7.
B.
A.
A, he was surprised by the rain. Yeah, tadi. Okay, number 8.
A.
A, the class has a better opinions of him. Number 9.
B.
B, she's in charge of making loans. Number 10.
A.
A, says sorry, the seminar is over. Number 11.
B.
B, yeah, the park is located near the zoo. And then the last.
A.
A, if she has some money for a phone calls. Very good ya. Ini betul semua ya. Sepertinya ya.
Ya, Miss.
Juga sama. Masih gampang ya. Masih jelas ya. Ya, masih betul semua. Okay. For the next topic, we continue about connectors ya. Subjunctive and coordinate connectors. Okay, coordinate connectors and subjunctive. Okay, is it clear? Ya,
Yes, Miss.
Ya, jadi untuk minggu depan kita tentang connector ya, connections ya, kata penghubung. Ada coordinate connector sama subordinate connectors. Ya, coordinate connectors ada contohnya Funboys, waktu itu pernah dibahas sekilas ya di kelas ya, Funboys. Lalu yang subordinate connectors itu ada lebih banyak lagi dibandingkan itu. Oke, saya kira cukup pertemuan kita pada hari ini. Terima kasih atas kehadirannya, atas partisipasinya pada hari ini. Sampai jumpa lagi minggu depan.